kay Makoy Dabs. We are friends at Facebook. I thought lumipat na sila sa dito. See, this is the commercial space now open in Shore 3 Residences, Tower 3 and Tower 4. Tadaan. Actually, I can do the gluta here. But I love my skin, so no need to gluta na. Kasi mas plenty dito yung tao to. Nails and cocktail din dito. So, while they have their nails,